Hello everybody, we've just been out for a little ride and we've come across these, how many babies are there? 1, 2,
10, I think.
10 cygnets. So Toby would have been hissing at those, but also, and I don't know whether you'll see them very closely, there's 3 alpacas in the field. One looks very, very strange. It looks like one of them bobbleheads that you pong and it just wobbles backwards and forwards. Don't know whether you'll be able to zoom in and have a look, but they're beautiful. There's lots of sheep up there, a few lambs. Grandad said he'd seen some black cows as well, but they're right on the top of the hill. No, there's some black ones right in the corner. Where them 2 white ones are running to now. It feels very strange not showing all these things to Toby. But as you know, he probably wouldn't have been awfully impressed with alpacas, cows, sheep and cygnets and ducks, would he? But it's a lovely peaceful day on the canal. And the babies are all having a wash now. Yeah, so cute.
It's quite nice.
And I'm in Juby too. So I'm alright if it rains. Steve will get wet. Oh.